to make sure we have the official world record. We need you just to wait for a moment before we can officially announce if we've broken the world record. It looks like enough people have solved their cubes. We need to make sure it's official. One person, well, one organisation we really need to thank. Rubik's have sponsored this entire event. Can we have a huge round of applause for Rubik's and all the cubes?
Hi everyone. So today we've seen a very impressive attempt for the Guinness World Records title for the most people solving Rubik's cubes. It's been very difficult to attempt. I can confirm that everyone's been accurately counted in. So what you're all waiting for is whether you've broken the current world record of 937 people solving the cubes. So that's the number of cubes that have been completely solved and handed back into the stewards. The current record, I'll remind you, is 937 people. Have you beaten it? The number of solved Rubik's cubes is 1,000.
You guys, just hold up your hand if you personally hold a Guinness World Record. Oh yeah! That's you! This is the reality that you have created a world record here today, and you know at the same time you have done an amazing thing. You have helped to solve youth homelessness. I want to say a massive thank you first of all to you. Give yourselves a huge cheer!